and welcome back to Ultimate Reptiles. Today we're talking about some fascinating facts about reptiles. These ancient creatures have been around for millions of years and have some seriously cool features. First up, did you know that crocodiles can go without food for up to 2 years? That's right, they have an incredibly slow metabolism which allows them to survive for long periods of time without eating. Next, let's talk about chameleons. These colorful lizards are known for their ability to change color to blend in with their surroundings, but did you know they can also move their eyes independently? This means they can look in 2 different directions at the same time. Reptiles have been around for millions of years, and some species have changed very little in that time. Most reptiles are cold-blooded, meaning they cannot regulate their body temperature internally and rely on external sources like the sun. Reptiles have a unique way of reproducing, eggs with a hard outer shell that protects the developing embryo. Some species even care for their eggs after laying them. Many reptiles have the ability to regrow lost tails or limbs, a trait called regeneration. Crocodiles and alligators have some of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, capable of exerting over 10,000 pounds of pressure per square inch. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile, with some individuals growing to over 23 feet long and weighing over a ton. Some turtles and tortoises can live for well over a century, with some individuals having been recorded living for up to 150 years. The largest reptile is the saltwater crocodile, which can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. Reptiles lay eggs, and the young typically hatch fully formed and independent. Snakes are some of the most successful predators, with specialized adaptations such as venom and infrared vision to help them catch prey. Lizards are the most diverse group of reptiles, with over 6,000 species worldwide. Reptiles have scaly skin made of keratin, which gives them protection from predators and helps them retain moisture. Many reptiles have a third eye, called the parietal eye, which is used to sense light and dark and helps regulate their circadian rhythms. Reptiles are some of the oldest and most primitive creatures on Earth. The first reptiles appeared more than 300 million years ago. There are over 10,000 species of reptiles in the world, including snakes, lizards, crocodiles, turtles, and tortoises. The smallest reptile is the dwarf gecko, which is just 0.6 inches long. Reptiles have skin that is covered in scales, which helps them to retain water and protect them from predators. Komodo dragon have a bacterial mouth that can infect prey with deadly bacteria, leading to its eventual demise. In conclusion, reptiles are a diverse and fascinating group of animals that have captured the imaginations of humans for centuries. From their scaly skin to their unique adaptations and behaviors, there is so much to learn and explore about these ancient creatures. Reptiles play an important role in the ecosystem as both predators and prey, and help to maintain the balance of their ecosystems. Despite their often intimidating appearance, many reptiles are very shy and prefer to avoid humans whenever possible. So there you have it, some fun facts about reptiles. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.